Wohin geht es? In 50 Jahren sucht man, als in United States wird existieren efter 18 Millionen Menschen, die reden Jiddisch. Weil meisten Teil der Jiden in den United States in 50 Jahren wollen sein Hasidim. So that's the future. So if you're interested in Yiddish, I would say find out what they're doing, because that's what it's going to be eventually, unless and the rest of it is going to be bookish. It's going to be like Hebrew was at a certain time when it wasn't spoken every day. It's going to be like Latin became the language of the scholars, but the rest of us don't speak that. It's going to become like that. It's going to be kind of an academic language on the one hand. And on the other hand, it's going to be still a living language, which is still evolving. And that's the language which will be more numerous in the future, I think. And that's just the way the world works. It's not something that you wish for, that you hope for. It's just the way it is.